Career clarity means having understanding and a sense of purpose. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, a person's career means a course or progress through life or a distinct portion of life. What that means is this: your career describes your journey through learning, work, and other aspects of life. One critical factor here is that the fact that there is no career without an individual. So when we're talking about having career clarity, the first place to start is with yourself. Who are you? Do you have an understanding of yourself? Having an understanding of yourself means you can go ahead to forge a career journey because there is a sense of purpose, there is understanding, and your kind of person, your career, the kind of career you're going to do is embedded in who you are. So the very first point of career clarity is to understand yourself. That is why on a constant basis, on a week-to-week basis, I offer a 30-minute career clarity session. I want to invite you to take that journey of discovery with me by signing up for 30-minute free career clarity session with Segun Akeode. During this 30-minute career clarity session, we do three things. One, we assess where you are in your career now. Two, we identify where you plan to be in your career. And three, we create an action plan to help you in your career plan. Why don't you go over to segunakeode.com/career clarity to book a session today? I'll see you during the clarity call.